Audio Jungle.
Medflow Medical Gas Equipments,
Randall Medical Technologies Private Limited,
Coimbatore, an ISO 9001:2008 certified company. One of the leading manufacturer and supplier of medical gas pipeline systems in the brand name of Medflow since 1995. We take special care as medical gas pipeline systems is a patient's life support, and its designing and installation require a precise technical expertise. We meet medical needs for critical applications that we have carved out a special space in the medical gas pipeline systems industry, which has led us to succeed in Indian and global markets. We also undertake design, developments and making of precision engineered array of medical gas pipeline systems products for specialized application in medical and healthcare domain. We implement latest technologies to make high-performance systems that have been continuously contributing to the development and offer best quality in medical gas systems products. The entire manufacturing processes in our factory are executed by experienced and qualified engineers in the medical pipeline systems over the last 4 decades. Oxygen flow meters, ward theatre suction units, medical gas outlets, medical OT pendants, vertical and horizontal bedheads panel, medical gas control panels, medical gas equipments and spares, generalized medical gas piping systems,